Hold on the babes, me go mute you like
You say, babe?
I talk to my cousin.
Alright.
Okay,
cool.
hold on.
Oh, you mean, my general, you don't know the thing going on.
Man,
Oh, you mean?
Look how many I tell a girl.
I just can't bother with him.
Jaja!
Sure. That's why I have to book a place with my next man. I go weekend, yeah.
Oh, Gregory.
Yo!
Gregory's so cute.
Yeah, man, we book
Dog,
it.
Gregory, brother.
Book it through KML Enterprise.
Yo!
You know? The best place for like do them
It no
bookings
mute.
thing. Remember, say we dep on curfew now, you know, so.
Yeah, me get what you say, man.
I need to free up myself, man. And I can't do
I
it.
remember Gregory can put you in the work.
Get me, I say.
Yes, girl.
So remember when I go hotel, them not on curfew and you can swim all night and they see
Where you find the bus stop?
The bus stop?
Yeah.
Oh, I trade me there, I trade some money.
Trade make money?
What is that? You see, when you reach on the left side,
Yeah.
take your time.
Yeah.
When you reach on the first left, you take your first right.
Yeah, my boss.
You see me?
Alright.
And hold the road, you know.
Alright then.
Corner.
Alright then. You know me do that trading thing there?
You the trading?
Yeah, but it not work out.
That's why you have to follow Docs, Prime, FX. And them my modest thing on Instagram. And plus them I give you $500 to any live account. All you have to go DM them and tell them, say, Dean is senior, and tell them what you want to know.
Yeah.
And they will deal there from there, so they might do a promotion right now.
Alright, my
And
boss.
a giveaway right now.
$500.
$500.
Just so?
Just so.
Do you not send me?
Stop work, man. And do your trading.
So I will make you have the money there. You show off
The
it?
big house me I go right now, right?
You spin me right round. When you go around, you spin me round. You spin me, baby, right round. When you go around, when you spin me round.
I say I'm a friend, I'm just my friend.
So, oh, yeah, Mr. Friend, you go too much time. You must send you all the speech now.
Because we are going to work out together. I'm a friend.
No, man, the boy can't. You can't boy work out. You can't work out in your yard.
No, only thing we do is go over here. We just sleep. That's it. That's it.
Sleep with the brother.
Yeah, I'm a friend.
So, how much time you see the youth now?
Can't tell you that.
My
I'm
girl.
just my friend.
So, you drink and sleep with the youth.
I just my
See,
friend.
I tell me,
Never.
so not tell me, say, you know do nothing.
Not never.
You sure you
Sure.
never. So, you must send your heart and a laugh, so.
I'm a friend.
The friend is supposed to laugh with this, so my girl, watch them big emoji, them
A comedian. I'm a friend. I just 6'9", nothing never happen.
6'9". And nothing happen.
Nothing never happen. You go on to me tell you all the while, I love you, you're my only man. Stop going to the man.
Yo, boss this for me now. Watch out, nobody do that, brother. By the time they fall out, I fly away and gone, brother. Watch man.
The blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus.
Yo, I just there, I say, so I'm big, you get me, I say, I just buy a new phone, so you don't know the thing up the loud, say, just add me up on WhatsApp, is it? Me have Snapchat, Instagram, everything, so just add me up, peeps.
You don't know
So
the
you know my
thing.
generals, just there, one easy back.
You know, sister, we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your son, no the explosion, and we make the commotion, yeah. They even dance with them, watch we have emotion, keep on we slow down, yeah. We need
Brother, you know, brother.
Hey, me now work, brother. You see a Forex me a trade, brother. I'm feel like me come to hard work this. I ODN FX me a trade, brother. You can't stand there. Follow them man up on Instagram every day. I make money. You fart. Give me this man. You see bucket full, man. The trade man go sit down and trade. You did a full bucket.
So you being here was necessary?
By any means necessary, brother. What you mean?
And why is that?
What you mean? Me have to have fun. I have to have fun, man. I want to you. I yesterday them forward from Florida waiting. Them David check. So.
You can continue, man. I hear you clear.
Oh! Yeah, me have to step back. Step back.
Calm down.
Yo, wanna delete everything.
What the hell?
Wanna delete everything. Step back. Delete everything.
You're toxic! You're toxic, yo! You're toxic! Don't call me, don't text me, delete my number. Please, me, I beg you. Toxic. Waste my time.
Mash up the phone here, no man. What's wrong with the young grasshopper?
Yo, I swear I give up. Because man try to do the Forex thing and it just not work. Every time I number them they on red and I'm not getting no money. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. Calm down. Take a seat.
Are you listening, young grasshopper?
Me I listen. Alright, you have a little thing called Traders Lounge. You get me I say? And for just $50, you get a trading group. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Also, you can do live trades with real life professional traders from Tuesday to Wednesday and Thursday. You get me I say?
Them have one-on-one mentorship too?
Yeah, man, on Friday and Saturday.
A lie! Sign me up now! Sign me up now!
My job here is...
No!
Ready? Yeah, man. Hey, me a son, man. Don't know, say, I do you know crazy, you know, me I represent the people, you know, you see me, I say, big up everybody, you know, walk more to country, you know, Kingston to Livingston, you know, you see me, I say, dog, big up all of my dog, you know, you do it, Johnstone, you see it, yeah, man, Tivoli, down so,
You need to start drop some lyrics on the song, man.
I'm just big up too much, but I will start, yeah, I just speak me a big up too much, it's ready.
Nah, no way.
Yeah, me I say that they don't know all I'm feeling, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, man. You don't know it, John's Road. You see? This is where my dad them come from, you see? Yeah, man. Yo, don't town.
Yo, G.
How are you them done?
Yeah.
We are cry for your back.
Crazy one.
Hey, come back. My friend just link up. Alright.
Yeah, man, I see you got a buckle of the Kingston 62 right here. So why this name Kingston 62?
You know the reason why this name Kingston 62?
Yeah.
I did when you get independence. Him have all a mixtape.
Right now.
I mix for me. Yeah. And I mix for you. Hey, Kingston 62. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. I didn't like that good.
So me can't freestyle. So me can't freestyle.
What do you think are the best thing to mix this brand with?
Best thing to mix this brand with? You really ask me that?
What do you mean?
Yes, so when me mix this with the cacao,
Yeah.
you can take a picture with the tobacco and put it in your brown boy. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Crazy, I'm gonna check out it.
Alright, take care. Yeah, hey, may I tell you? You see, the brand itself just make you feel smooth. Yeah, go alone just make you feel rich.
You know?
Me I tell them don't fuck with Sparta. Them forget how you see my water. Just set me as a free man. None of them can hold on to demons. So I feel like
tell them how we are on the street. On the globe them.
No!
What you doing there?
Watch it up! No, man!
What you doing there?
No, man! Watch it now? It's a brother song, brother. Me I tell you, say man song hot! I can't do it on the land, brother. You have to do in the water, dog, for listen to them song, daddy.
Brother, come out.
No, watch it now. Make you hear the song first, brother. Hear the song. I know, say, I look at one drum. You know, man?
No for them boys, I gotta give me cocky blow. Me no really love talk, but some pussy have some know. Fight them a roll out, push start button press. Louis V shirt with the style open chest. Gala get fucked, me a squeeze couple breasts. Them a say, oh my clean, so me full of nothing less. I'm not DJ, a Cali, but me a the fucking best. 50 grand to the bar, me no spend.
Go up on the bed, man. Said so.
Girl, I pass smell the perfume. So me clean, me say, the man just fly like Aladdin. Buy every clothes we have on. Them gal get wet when them see we is like a rain did that fall. The man just fly like Aladdin. Buy every clothes we have on. Them gal get wet when them see we is like a rain did that fall. She bout in a half-white Air Force. Pan a yang sound like when they clear throat. Two duffel back broad like airport. You can't copy man style where you hear about. Two all like shit on the time up, man I hustle for the
Nigel, you brush your teeth this morning?
You know, hold it, shit, Brandon! Brandon, move! Brandon, move your finger! Brandon!
And Nigel,
Dog, one day, my youth!
I'm a best friend.
Dog, support my youth. Man, move
It's not hurt a dog.
brother. Where you
No,
going?
every man have them dub from last week, you know. Why me can't get my dub? Awa. You know, Tim want win too. You know, so we end up get a one dub still, sir. For real? Awu. Cartel. Popcorn. Awu. Play me here then.
I'm bad, you're nothing. I'm bad, none of them is nothing. Y'all just afraid. Where them man go stop? Y'all just afraid. Where them man go stop?